Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Armourer's Bench. Today I'm at Soviet Threat at the Hack Green secret nuclear bunker. And today I'm with Rifleman Moore, who has his own YouTube channel, and he's going to take us through a rundown of his kit.
That's the idea. What I'm wearing here is supposed to represent a British parachute regiment soldier from the mid-1960s, 1964 specifically. The reason for that, of course, is it's the anniversary of Market Garden, the 75th anniversary, so I'm reenacting 20 years on. I'm at a Cold War event, so obviously doing wartime would have been appropriate, but I thought it'd be interesting to have a look at that, so 20 years on from. So the uniform consists of the very iconic airborne smock, parachuter smock, Denison. This is actually a 70s example, but it is of the same pattern as that worn in the 1960s. There was quite a lot of variations in camouflage pattern and so forth worn at the time, and this is one of them. Sadly covered in paint, haven't finished cleaning it up yet. Of course, we've got the iconic airborne beret at the top here, with the Parachute Regiment cap badge. This is actually a 1964 dated example, which Alan has very kindly lent to me. A friend of mine who was the Reenactor group, MECo, which I'm here with this weekend. The web equipment is 1958 pattern. This is early issue 1958 pattern. At the front here we have the two ammunition pouches. The left one, of course, also supporting the bayonet for the self-loading rifle. And then round on the side here we have the water bottle and pouch carrier from the 1944 pattern web equipment. And at the back we have kidney pouches, the rear pouches from the 1958 pattern set, which carry your mess tins, your spare socks, that sort of thing, rations. Moving down, we have the standard British Army combat trousers of the period from the 1960 pattern combat suit. Of course, most other regiments wearing them with the smock from the combat suit. The Parachute Regiment, of course, have their own camouflage smock, a marked distinction they were very keen to keep hold of. And at the bottom we have DMS boots, the directly moulded sole, rubber-soled boots. And then we have, they're worn with gaiters, anklets rather, rather than puttees. Anklets were still very common during the 1960s, a carryover from the Second World War. So that's the uniform. The weapon, of course, is the self-loading rifle, the L1A1. By this time, very much standard issue for the British forces. It's a British-made copy of the British-made adaptation. It's made in imperial measurements rather than metric. Made by the FM yeah. So there it is. That's the uniform kit I have here.
Wonderful. Thanks so much for going through.
No problem at all. More than welcome.
Guys, check out Simon's channel, the Rifleman Moore. Yeah, the link for that will be in the description below. So do take a look. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks again.